Thank you, everyone. Please take your seat.
Good morning, everyone. Today we have all gathered here to enjoy the Christmas assembly. The name Christmas comes from the Mass of Christ. The Mass was the only one allowed to take place after sunset and the sunrise the next morning. So it was promptly held at midnight and took the name Christ Mass, shortened to Christmas. Christmas is celebrated by people around the world. It's a time when family and friends come together and remember the good things they have. People, especially children, eagerly await Christmas as this is the time to give and receive gifts. Christmas is indeed truly Christmas when we celebrate it by giving the light of joy for those who need it more. Now, Anvisha is going to recite a poem titled Christmas Time. Anvisha, please unmute the device and start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anisha. In my class is first day. My rhyme is Christmas time. Pine trees that are high give light at night. They shine so bright. It's Christmas time. Stop the fight, make everything right. Give love tonight. It's Christmas time. A greeting you will like in a card that you will find. Just always smile for it's Christmas time. Thank you everyone and Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Anvisha. That was beautiful. Now, Bhumika, our Santa, will be presenting a role play.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Bhumika Zinodia. Today, I will tell about Christmas. Christmas is a Christian festival. Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th December. On Christmas Day, people celebrate the birthday of Jesus Christ. At Christmas, Santa Claus is the favorite of children. On Christmas Day, people receive gifts from Santa. The Christmas is considered to be the biggest festival in the world. On this day, the Christmas tree and many kinds of lights, houses are decorated. Christmas is a message of giving love and being happy. Everyone greets to each other by saying Merry Christmas. At the last, I would like to say that Santa Claus loves another and seek to make them happy. Thank you. I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you.
That was a wonderful presentation, Bhumika. Now, Harsh is going to present a poem. Harsh from 1B, please unmute the device.
Good morning everyone. My name is Harsh Thomas. I study in first. They recite the poem I am little Santa. I am little Santa, short and fat. Here is my beast, and here is my
That was beautiful, Harsh.
Thank you. Thank you.
That was super melodious, children. Christmas is the time of merrymaking. That means food, song, and dance. Now, Gauri is going to perform on the song 12 Days of Christmas. Next, Palak is going to present the resolution on the new year. Palak, please unmute the device.
Complete my work daily. I will try to spend more and more time in my nature and we are responsible being. I exercise daily and eat healthy food and be fit and increase my immunity. I will try to spend more and more time with my mother and with my father. First, throw me the nothing is important. The family is love and care. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
That was wonderful. On behalf of all the students, Palak just took the resolution to focus on studies and do regular exercise to be fit and healthy. May I request Vedanshi to mesmerize us with yet another carol.
Thank you and Merry Christmas to all.
Excellent, Vedanshi. May I now request our academic coordinator, ma'am, present her message to the students.
Good morning, children. It's a wonderful, wonderful day, and what a Christmas we had. Christmas is a season of joy and forgiveness and thankfulness. And this year, it is a very, very good Christmas. It's an especially good Christmas because we are all together. We are all in it. With your family members, with your extended family in the school, you are fighting together and you are keeping your faith. That is why this year Christmas is the best Christmas ever, because we have survived and we have come out victorious. Christmas is also a season of forgiveness. So children, forgive everybody. If anybody is made you angry or has not given you what you wanted, it could be your parents, it could be your teachers, forgive them. Parents, if you feel that the children have not been as per your expectation, please forgive them. If you feel that you haven't been able to be as, according to your expectation, forgive yourself. More than anything else, we should learn to forgive ourselves. But today, I want to thank all the parents, all the teachers for taking out the time to gather here together, and of course, all the children for making such an effort and making this day so special. Thank you, children. A very, very happy Christmas To all of you, thank you parents, a very, very happy Christmas. And of course to my extended team here at
This lovely day, as Rupa ma'am told, it has brought us out of many things, and really it is a time to celebrate and appreciate the things God has given us. I will focus on two things today. One is, when we say Christmas, automatically we talk about Santa. Santa is no one. We all are Santa. What is a Santa? Who is a Santa? Santa Claus is actually a person who helps others, who helps the needy, who takes care of the other children who don't have parents, who do not have shelter, who do not have food. So I would like all of you from today, at least for till New Year, we take a pledge that we will help others and try our best. Don't party only. Yes, you should enjoy, but party and party with others, donate clothes, warm clothes, donate food. That is the essence of Christmas. There are few things which I would like to share with you that I call the bucket list of things. First is, we say buy presents. So we are not going to buy presents, we are going to be present for each other. Second is, wrap gifts for someone. But what we say? Wrap someone in a hug. Hug the poor, hug the needy, hug your elders. Meet the parents whom you have not met for so long. Send gifts. People do not need gifts. People need love. So send love. Shop for food. No. Donate food. Cook. What you eat, donate. Share with your friends, share with the people at your home, the people who are working in your home, the guards, the maids, their children, share with them. Then make cookies and cakes, make memories. You should have memories for this last month of the year, which was not very good for many, but I hope and wish that this next year, 2021, will be the best year for you so far. And you do not have to light the bulbs and make sound, but we have to be the light for everyone, be the lighthouse for everyone. So with these things, I wish you all the best of luck for the new year, and a very, very happy Christmas to all of you. Thank you.